All right, let's come back home to our weather.
Okay.
Take a look at the camera that sits up on Queen Anne, and you're going to notice something from this vantage point. If you've got good eyesight, you're looking at a high-def view on your TV. It's kind of tough to pick them out now, actually. There are drops of rain on that. That's what I'm getting at. Just a few. We haven't gotten a lot of rain out of this. I can show you the totals here in a second, but we have gotten some. And since most of it's coming from the west, let's take a look at one of our other cameras, the one that we've got here on the roof, and let's have that look out to the west across the Sound. And the skies definitely look a little grayer and a little more imposing when you look at them this way. And sure enough, when we look at the radar here in a moment, you're going to see there's a lot more rain out there coming our way. But as far as the totals that we've gotten so far, this is like 1/100 of an inch of rain. It's been really widespread, and there hasn't been much to write home about. That's going to change. Tonight into the first half of Sunday is going to be one of the more widespread chances for rain. Probably one of the more noticeable periods of rain that we've seen so far through this period, and I can show you why that is just from looking at the radar. Remember I said if you look west, you'll see more impressive rain out there. There's even some lightning bolts showing up off the coast out there. This stuff gets here later tonight and into Sunday morning, but we've already got some showers closer that are working their way through the South Sound. In fact, if we come in for that one yellow bullseye right there, just over towards the west side of the Sound, out around Belfair and just south of Bremerton, heavier bands of rain already starting to work their way towards the city and across the rest of the Sound. All right, so we'll come back to the wide view. We've got the live radar for where this is now. We're going to switch over to the UW High Resolution Forecast Model. This is the exclusive information coming into King 5 with our partnership at the university. And the UW High Res model does an excellent job of really parsing out the details of our local climatology and the microclimates and the topography. And we can pinpoint these storms a little bit better. And if we watch this, you see how there's a wave right there that just came in? That got us into very early tomorrow morning. You can kind of pick out there's an organized arc right there to the rain. That's the wave that's going to come in for later tonight and the first part of Sunday to give us one of our more impressive periods for rain. Very early Sunday, many of us will probably sleep through it Sunday morning. And then by the time we get into late Sunday morning, and 6 a.m. that's late depending on your perspective. But by the time we get into the later hours of Sunday morning, around sunset, that first wave is already in the Cascades. We've got a few scattered showers left over. Watch this second little impulse that comes through right there. That's right in the middle of the day on Sunday. That's Sunday at noon. Not as impressive as the stuff that came through in the overnight hours, but still enough so that for the middle of the day on Sunday, we should plan on noticing a bit more rain, maybe an isolated thunderstorm embedded in that. And then once we clear that out from Sunday, late afternoon, we're in the clear. And Monday and Tuesday, there is no rain in the forecast. Those are the only 2 days I've got we can say that about. It's going to be kind of nice around here Monday and Tuesday. Maybe start thinking about plans to take advantage of that and capitalize on that. And then by the time we get to Wednesday, the chance of showers comes back and pretty much stays with us from Wednesday, going through much of the rest of the 7-day forecast. But really, we're about to see what would probably be the most impressive time for rain, which is going to be late tonight.
Yep.
Into early Sunday morning.
All right, but we have a breather Monday, Tuesday, so that'll be good.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks, Darren.